What is up, people? It's your boy Sanjeev Rajaram back at it again. Today I'm reviewing the Beyond Meat, the Beyond Burger. Now on this channel I've reviewed Beyond Chicken, Beyond Beef, and Beyond Meat, the Beast Burger. But this is the newest and best rendition of their Beyond Meat products. And as you can see, I just finished grilling these two guys. But that's how they look before they're grilled. And I mean, earlier if you saw it, it looked just like a burger being grilled. Kind of bleeds a little bit too, even though it's completely plant-based. There's no animal in here at all. Enjoying some mighty fine gin and tonic that I made for myself. So let me show you how to make this burger. But let's go over the facts for this guy. So essentially it's a plant-based patty, much less cholesterol. I got my buns and stuff ready. I'm going to toast them a little bit. Got the baby spinach ready. So let's put these guys on the thing, have them toasted for a little bit, and throw the Beyond Meat on it, because it always goes better with toasted bread. Now I do have this vegan cheese that can go along with it. I'm not going to do that today because it doesn't really melt that well. But anyways, need my drink. Oh, yep, those are like metal ice cubes. So I just want to do a little review of this. I've had this many times before. I'm just making this video for the first time. It actually does taste great. It looks very much like a burger, and in fact it looks more like a burger than any of their other products. Soy-free, that's surprising. Gluten-free, cool. So for you gluten-free people, like my sister has a problem with gluten, she can eat this. No GMOs. Now there's nothing wrong with GMOs. The no GMO label is just a marketing tactic. GMOs are great. Your bananas that you eat today, they're GMOs. Bananas in nature are really tiny and they have seeds in them. But the bananas you eat, are big and they don't have any seeds, yet you still eat them, yet they are GMOs. The strawberries that grow here are not small, and those are GMOs. So don't be afraid of the no GMOs or GMO label. GMOs are nothing to be afraid of. It's just a marketing tactic. So yeah, I grilled it, and I'm not going to show it, but because I'm going to make this burger. But when I finish this burger, I'm going to actually add some hot sauce and ketchup. Now, why? Because it looks exactly like meat, but it still has that little planty taste to it. So, to really stimulate your taste buds, I always recommend finishing the burger, and on top of the burger, add a little ketchup, add a little hot sauce. It really works well. There was this Indian hot chili hot sauce ketchup thing that I had. It went fantastic with these burgers. But either way, it's still pretty great. And put the tomatoes on, the lettuce, and it feels like you're really eating a burger. All right, guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy. Have a nice day.